Hi, everyone. I'm excited to be doing some telling time with you today. You have two analog clocks that are on the slide that you need to figure out the time for. There's also a little anchor chart that we've used in the past that can remind you how to tell time using an analog clock. But before we do that, we're going to just warm ourselves up and remember how to tell time. So I always use in my class, we say the hour hand is short, short, short. The minute hand is very tall. And that's always step one. You need to figure out which hand is your minute hand and which hand is your hour hand. So looking at this clock, I see the hour hand is short, short, short. So I'm going right to this one. The minute hand is very tall or very long. So you're going to go to this one. Now the hour hand, to figure out the hour, I look and I can say 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then back to the 12. I'm between two numbers here. I'm between the 6 and the 7. If I'm between two numbers, I haven't reached this hour yet because our clock spins around and then it'll finally reach. So if I'm back here, I haven't reached 7 yet. So I always go to that smaller number. We are still in the 6 o'clock. For minutes, looking again at the big numbers, but I'm going to count by fives. So starting at 1, I say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and I'm down here at that 6, it's 30. It is 6:30. Let's practice a few more together. So I'm going to show you this one and give you a few seconds to really figure this one out. Okay, you think you're ready? So let's look at this one together. So if I'm looking at this, I'm seeing my hour hand, short, short, short. I'm between sort of two numbers. I'm getting closer to the 10, but am I at 10 o'clock yet? No, I'm still within 9 o'clock. I'm still in that smaller number. Here, my minute hand is right on that 10, so I'm counting by fives, starting at 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and 50. The time is 9:50. I'm going to do two more. Sorry, I got distracted with which way I wanted to go. Okay, looking here, looking at that hour hand, the minute hand. So we say with the hour hand, you always go to that smaller number, but when we're between 1 and 12, that's a little trickier. You're going back, you're kicking yourself back. We have not hit that 1 o'clock yet. So I'm going to give you just a few more seconds to think if you know the answer to this one. Good, you guys are right. We have not hit 1 o'clock. We're still inside 12 o'clock, 5, 10. I am at 12:10. Really nice job. Okay, one more. Okay. Taking a quick peek. I'll give you about 10 seconds. Thinking the hour hand is short, the minute hand is long. Which one are you going to look at first? Good. Okay, so I see that my hour hand is between those two numbers again. So I'm going to that smaller number. I haven't gotten to 12 yet. So I'm at 11. Then I count 5, 10, 15, and 20. I'm at 11:20. Okay, why don't you guys practice those next two that are down below?